For the first time ever, we are hosting an interactive war game right on the Gettysburg battlefield. We're going to refight the entire Battle of Gettysburg, and we want you to be part of it.
We'll be pushing thousands of tiny hand-painted soldiers like this across a 3D tabletop built to replicate Gettysburg battlefield.
And the players will be taking on the role of corps commanders, so officers like John Reynolds and James Longstreet. But it's going to be you that's giving them the orders.
Will you help command the Army of the Potomac or the Army of Northern Virginia? Go to the American Battlefield Trust Facebook page. You can vote on a series of strategic decisions that help determine the outcome and course of the game. As Lee, will you order Ewell to race for Culp's Hill or Cemetery Hill as dusk settles? As Meade, will you stretch your line all the way to Little Round Top? What about Big Round Top? There are plenty of decisions to be made, and as many Army commanders have found, the view is easy from the cheap seats. When you're actually in charge, your decisions have consequence.
Trying out new strategies and trying to do better than the historical commanders did is one of the great challenges of historical wargaming.
Well, sure, everybody assumes that they could do better. I can't wait to see what strategic decisions receive the most votes, because the players in our war game, they're going to have to try to follow your orders as best they can.
I will certainly try to follow my orders, if practicable, gentlemen.
Go to the American Battlefield Trust Facebook page, take an active role in this game, and then this summer, watch the game being played on the Gettysburg battlefield. It'd be really cool. Join us with our friends from Little Wars TV. I know you'll enjoy.